In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Wi-Fi missing in Windows 11. Sometimes you might notice that the Wi-Fi option doesn't appear in the panel bar or even under network settings. Don't worry, this is a common issue, and I'll show you how to fix it easily. First, go to the search bar and type Control Panel, then open it. When the control panel opens, make sure the View By option is set to large icons, so you can see everything clearly. Now, click on Internet Options. Once you're there, go to the Advanced tab at the top. Here, you'll see a button called Restore Advanced Settings. Click on it. After that, click Apply and then OK to save the changes. This step basically resets all your internet settings back to default, which can help if something got changed accidentally. Next, we're going to do one more step to completely refresh the network settings. Go to Settings on your PC. Then click Network and Internet. After that, scroll down and select Advanced Network Settings. Here, you'll see an option called Network Reset. Click on Reset Now. You'll get a message asking if you're sure you want to reset your network settings. Click Yes to confirm. Once you do that, your computer will restart automatically. After it turns back on, open your settings again and check the panel bar. The Wi-Fi option should now be visible and working properly. And that's it. Your Wi-Fi settings should now appear again, and you'll be able to connect to your network like normal. Thanks for watching this video. If it helped you, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful Windows tips and tech fixes.